Channel 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Finally, I can say, I can tell you that I choose to go to the moon.
Power clear.
Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a special news, and our news is about moon tourism. Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa will be the first tourist to fly around the moon. The fashion tycoon wants to take artists from around the world with him, so when they come back to Earth, they can create masterpieces that will inspire the dreamer in all of us. SpaceX will take him there in the BFR spaceship. The company is planning the trip for 2023, and it will be the first lunar trip since 1972. Thank you very much for watching. Happy study and see you in our next lesson.